Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Raiffeisen Bank International Review My Usage Experience. Raiffeisen Bank International Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive overview and analysis of Raiffeisen Bank International services, aiming to provide potential and existing customers with insights into their banking experience. It likely focuses on features like online banking, mobile app functionality, customer service, and overall satisfaction. Their website provides details on specific products and services offered by the bank. Their website highlights the bank's extensive network, various account options, and investment opportunities. They emphasize security measures and customer support resources. The ease of use and comprehensiveness of information are key selling points. Availability is dependent on location, as it's a bank operating across multiple countries. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Raiffeisen Bank International Review My Usage Experience. I was researching banks for international transfers and stumbled upon this review site, which was helpful in comparing Raiffeisen to other options. Getting started was straightforward, the website was easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated their detailed comparison tables which clearly outline different account fees and transaction limits. The interface itself was clean and intuitive, although I did find the section on investment products slightly overwhelming at first. I spent about an hour browsing various articles and customer reviews, which gave me a good overall picture of the bank's services. The speed of the site was excellent, pages loaded quickly. One drawback I noticed was a lack of interactive features like a user rating system for individual products. I didn't have direct interaction with Raiffeisen customer support through this review site, but the reviews themselves provided a broad sense of their responsiveness. I was really impressed by the depth of information provided, particularly the detailed analysis of their mobile banking app. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It helped me significantly in my bank selection process, providing an unbiased overview that went beyond basic marketing materials. That's my overview of Raiffeisen Bank International Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.